What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you are all having a great week. Today, if you haven't already guessed, we are going to be doing another wheel refurb, but this time, instead of just having like a basic silver wheel refurbing and getting it back to kind of like factory look, we're going to do a more detailed, more kind of unique design that will make your car look completely different from the other people's cars. So roll the intro and then we'll tell you kind of the plans on what we're going to do for these wheels. So yeah, roll the intro.
Later.
Okay, so welcome back. It is, I think, 4 days later. We ended up actually finishing last weekend's video that came out on Sunday, but we're back now, so I can get finished on the wheels. Now, we picked up these wheels for around £50 off of eBay or Facebook Marketplace, somewhere like that, and the idea for them is to paint the what's it called? Paint it mainly black, and then all kind of like the front of the spokes like a silver colour, so that they look pretty cool. But yeah, what we're gonna I think I think they're 5 by 110, so we might possibly test fit them on the Alpha, see how they look, but I'm going to start by giving them a wash, and then tomorrow while I'm at school, Dad will head down to CarTec and get the tyres off hopefully. But yeah, I've just got a bucket of water with some car soap in it, a wheel woolly, obviously a sponge, a mitt even, a detailing brush, and some of the Homebuilt wheel cleaner. You can pick some wheel cleaner up from the yourhomebuilt.com website if you want. It's pretty it's pretty reasonably priced. I think it is £10 or something a bottle, and you get a full litre if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, pretty good. Every other place that does wheel cleaner for a £10 only sells like 500ml, and we're selling a litre, so why not? And it's pretty good. I'll show you when I'm using it. But I'll get the wheels set up and then I can give them a wash and then we'll cut to tomorrow where hopefully the wheels will be off. Okay, so I just finished up giving the wheels are quite clean, and they're pretty dirty. I don't know if you can see, but that water's absolutely rank. The wheels, they hadn't been cleaned in a long time, so yeah. It was only a quick wash. Don't get me wrong. It wasn't like a proper wash, but we've got one of them is kind of dry now. And this is kind of what I meant, like these bits on the inside and on the back obviously will be black, and then these front bits, they'll all be silver, and it should look pretty cool. Well, I think that's what we're doing anyway, but it should come out pretty good. But it's really dark now, so I'll get closed up and then we'll catch you tomorrow.
So guys, it's nice and early on Saturday morning. You've just seen me take the wheels off the Lupo. I've also took a wheel off the Mini, and we're going to head over to Sammy's and get the wheels we're refurbing stripped, get the tyres taken off them. I've taken the wheels off the Lupo because we're actually giving them to Sammy. He's helped us at loads and he's actually looking for some 5x13 wheels. So these are ideal for him. I think they're going on the stock car, but we'll ask him when we get there because I'm not actually sure what he's doing with them. The Mini's got a bad valve and it keeps leaking air, so we're going to get that changed and we're going to get the wheels stripped that we're refurbing. So now we have to try and get 2 sets of wheels plus one of the Mini into the back of the Alpha. So let's see if we can squeeze them in. Luckily we won't be coming back with them all, so let's see what we can do. I nearly swore there. Are you recording?
We'll just beep it.
I was going to say these tyres are off. Right guys, we're doing at Sammy's, doing at CarTec again. We've just finished the Mini wheel. That's got a new valve in it, the rim's all been cleaned up. Tyres back on, it's all good. We've put a couple of tyres on the race car wheels for Sammy. He's going away this weekend. And now we're going to strip these, get rid of the tyres and get them refurbed. So this is going to be the new race bus. Sammy's in the middle of converting it just now. We'll have a wee look. Just watch your feet, Charlie.
Oh yeah.
So this bit here, this is going to be where the car will be going. So the back door is going to get cut out. This is all going to be cut out, and then it will be put on struts so it can lift up. And then this is going to be ramped. See this bit of metal here? This is laid out where these are going to go. So these are going to be ramped for the car to drive up in. And then there's going to be a garage section here with all the tools and everything down it, spare tyres. And then up the front there's going to be living quarters.
Yeah, like a bed and that.
Aye, sleeping and stuff.
And that's his old stock car.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the old one, yeah.
If you want to see the new one, you can check out the video up in the top right hand corner.
Yep.
Can't mind what it's called.